Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get invisible app shortcuts in the home screen of any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Transparent Widget. And the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on add. Now select the application which you want to add. So say I want to add a Chrome application. Just click on this down arrow icon. Now select any one option from here. So now you can see here. Now you can resize the widget size depending upon your needs, how big or small you want. So now you can see here it completely looks invisible, right? So if I click on this area which I have placed this invisible app shortcut, then it will open the Raspberry application which I have added. So let us try again. So you can see, so you can add multiple more applications. Just press and hold on your blank screen area of your home screen. Click on this widgets. Scroll down below. You will see here transparent widget. Just click on it. Click on add. And once again select the Raspberry application which you want to add. So this time a calculator. Just select it. So I will keep it here. So now if I click here, then it will open the calculator application. So you can add as much invisible app shortcuts on your Raspberry home screen by using this application named as Transparent Widget. So by using this cool application, you can easily get invisible app shortcuts in the home screen of any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.